Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss further problems of soil mechanics. First question is, a saturated clay has a water content of 40.8% and bulk specific gravity 1.86, and we have to determine the specific gravity and also E, that is a void ratio. So first of all, we know that saturated clay, so the saturation S value will be 100%, that is 1, and it is given that water content is given 40.8%. Now bulk specific gravity, that is apparent, GM is equal to given that. What is GM actually? Gamma sat by gamma W. It is already given as 1.86. We have to determine G as well as we have to determine E. So we know gamma sat by gamma W is equal to G plus E by 1 plus E. That is 1.86 is equal to G plus E by 1 plus E. So this is one equation. Now we know E into S is equal to G into W. E we have to find out. S is we know 1, and G we can write as G only because here also G is unknown, and W it is given as 40.8%, that is 0.408. Now so E is equal to 0.408 G. So we got a relationship between E and G. So we can substitute 2 in 1. So 1.86 is equal to G plus 0.408 G by 1 plus 0.408 G. So when we cross multiply, now it only unknown is G. That is 1.86 plus 1.86 into 0.408 G is equal to G plus 0.408 G. So when we do this, we will get the value of G as 2.865 in the calculator. So when we substitute back in the equation number 2, we will get the value of E as 1.169. Next question, question number 10. For a soil, G value is given as 2.5 and void ratio is given as 1. We have to find the ratio of gamma sat by gamma submerged. Gamma sat by gamma submerged is G plus E by 1 plus E, that is 2.5 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So when you do, you will get the answer 2.5. Next question. A soil has a bulk density. Bulk density is given as 2.4 gram per cc and water content is given as 20%. The dry density is what? Gamma D you have to find out. We know gamma D is equal to gamma by 1 plus W. Don't forget this. Bulk unit weight, dry unit weight is also gamma by 1 plus W. So here mass is given. So these both are important equations. So here it is application, here this, not this, but this is also important equation related with this. That's why I told this. So what is this? 2.4 divided by 1 plus 0.2. So when you do this, you will get the answer 2 gram per cc. Without calculation only we can do, because this is 2.4 by 1.2. So it is 2 times only. Soil deposit has a void ratio of 1 if the void ratio is reduced to 0.6. If void ratio is reduced to 0.6 by compaction, then find the percentage volume loss. We have studied this. V1 by V2 is equal to 1 plus E1 by 1 plus E2. So 1 plus, first it is 1 and it is reduced to 0.6. So it will be 2 by 1.6. So how much is the percentage volume loss? How much is the loss? 0.4 by, from which it have lost by 2 multiplied by 100. So 2 how many times? 50 times. So 50 into 4 you will get the answer 20%. So 20% is the volume loss. I hope this you enjoyed the session, and these all sessions and all these questions are very important related to GATE examination point of view. If you like the session, please click the like button. If you have any genuine comments or any query related with these topics, please suggest it on the comment box. In the upcoming notifications of the video, please click the bell icon. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe it. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.